Hello friends, welcome to Select Efforts. Let's quickly begin with our second part of GK FAQ. आइए देखते हैं क्या है आज का पहला क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. The balancing organ of human body is called. Okay, human body में कौन सा ऐसा organ है जो बैलेंसिंग के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है? A. brain, B. spinal cord, C. ear और D. knee. आइए देखते हैं what is the correct answer. The answer is C. ear. Loop-shaped canals in your ear contain fluid and fine hair-like sensors that help you to keep your balance. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Moving towards question number 2. Which of the following is not a nucleon? इनमें से कौन सा ऐसा ऑप्शन है जो न्यूक्लियन नहीं है? A. प्रोटॉन, B. न्यूट्रॉन, C. इलेक्ट्रॉन या D. पॉजिट्रॉन. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज D. पॉजिट्रॉन. आइए थोड़ा सा और जान लेते हैं इसके बारे में. The positron is the antiparticle or the antimatter counterpart of the electron. So means it is not a nucleon. Coming towards question number 3. Dialysis is used for patients having. कौन सा ऐसा डिसीज है जिसके ट्रीटमेंट में डायलिसिस का यूज होता है? A. liver problems, B. tumors, C. spondylitis और D. kidney trouble. Coming to the answer, D. kidney trouble is the correct answer. जब आपकी किडनी का फंक्शनिंग एंड स्टेज पर होता है, when kidney is almost at the stage of failure, तभी डायलिसिस का हम यूज करके किडनी को फंक्शन में लाते हैं. Moving towards question number 4. Which amongst the following is used as the best fire extinguisher? Okay. और हमारे ऑप्शंस हैं A. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, B. मीथेन, C. नाइट्रोजन और D. सल्फेट. देखते हैं क्या है करेक्ट आंसर. इट इज A. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. Because it contains pure carbon dioxide which acts as a clean extinguisher, leaving no residue, suitable for class B flammable liquid fires like petrol, oil, solvents, and recommended for use on live electrical equipment. आगे बढ़ते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Which of the following is a water soluble vitamin? ऐसा कौन सा इसमें से विटामिन है जो पानी में डिसॉल्व हो जाता है? विटामिन A, B विटामिन K, C vitamin C or D vitamin E. And the correct answer is C vitamin C. It is a water soluble vitamin, and the deficiency of any of this water soluble vitamin results in clinical syndrome that may result in severe morbidity and mortality. Coming to question number 6. What is the content of nitrogen in air of troposphere? Okay, troposphere की एयर में नाइट्रोजन रहता है और 2-3 और गैसेस रहती हैं. हमें ये बताना है नाइट्रोजन किस मात्रा में रहता है. आइए देखते हैं हमारे ऑप्शन. A 78%, B 23%, C 87% और D 61%. The correct answer is A 78%, and as I said, 78% is nitrogen, whereas 21% is oxygen, and the last 1% is made up of argon, water vapor and carbon dioxide. Moving towards question number 7. Which planet is called the red planet? कौन सा ऐसा planet है जिसे red planet कहा जाता है? A. Mercury, B. Venus, C. Earth और ये D. Mars. The correct answer is D. Mars. आइए देखते हैं क्यों कहा जाता है इसे red planet. क्योंकि इसका कलर जो है red होता है. क्यों रेड होता है? Because of a layer of rusty dust covering on its entire surface. Proceeding towards question number 8. Which is called as a flying mammal? हमारे ऑप्शंस हैं A. sparrow, B. bat, C. parrot और D. ostrich. The correct answer is B. bat. Because their forelimbs adapted, they act as wings, which help bats to fly. Question number 9. Dendrology is the study of. किस चीज के स्टडी को डेंड्रोलॉजी कहा जाता है? हमारे ऑप्शंस हैं A. fruits, B. trees, C. animals या D. spices. देखते हैं क्या है इसका करेक्ट आंसर. इट इज B. trees. डेंड्रोलॉजिस्ट जो होते हैं उनको बोला जाता है जो डेंड्रोलॉजी की स्टडी करते हैं. It is also called as forest dendrology and is the study of the characteristics of trees, shrubs and other woody plants. Hepatology is the study of body pixels, heart, liver और kidney. देखते हैं क्या है correct answer. It is C, liver. Hepatologist is again a specialist who is in the branch of medicine of hepatology, which includes the study of parts such as liver, biliary tree, gallbladder and pancreas. आइए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Question number 11. विटामिन सी का केमिकल नेम क्या है? हमारे ऑप्शंस हैं ए नाइट्रिक एसिड, बी साइट्रिक एसिड, सी लिपेज और डी एस्कॉर्बिक एसिड. The correct answer is D, ascorbic acid, which is again a water-soluble vitamin found in citrus and other fruits and vegetables and also sold as a dietary supplement. Moving towards question number 12. Instrument used to check the purity of milk is called. Okay, as we all know, milk में mixing रहता है, some content of water and some content of milk. तो कितना कंटेंट ऑफ वाटर है और कितना कंटेंट ऑफ मिल्क है, ये प्योरिटी चेक करने के लिए कौन सा ऐसा इंस्ट्रूमेंट है इनमें से जो यूज किया जाता है? ए लैक्टोमीटर, बी हाइड्रोमीटर, सी सपमीटर या फिर डी किलोमीटर. करेक्ट आंसर इज ए लैक्टोमीटर एंड एज आई सेड इट इज अ ग्लास लाइक इंस्ट्रूमेंट which is used to measure the amount of water in the milk you drink. Small device which gives you the accurate results in even less than a minute. Coming towards question number 13, which amongst the following non-toxic gases help in formation of enzymes which ripen fruits? Okay, fruits की ripening में enzymes की जरूरत होती है जो non-toxic gases form करती हैं. कौन सी ऐसी gases हैं जो इस एक्टिविटी के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं? ए एसिटोलाइन, बी इथेन, सी मीथेन और डी कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी इथेन. Moving towards question number 14, the vertical movement of air is termed as A. Wind, B. Air mobility, C. Air turbulence or D. Air current. The correct answer is D. Air current. Due to the changes of temperature or atmospheric air pressure, a vertical movement of air is occurred in our environment, which is known as the air current. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Question number 15, oxygen and ozone are. Oxygen and ozone, option A, they are isobars, B, they are isotopes, C, they are isomers or D, they are allotropes. The correct answer is D, allotropes. Because of its existence in two states, hence they are called allotropes. Another example of allotrope is given, which is diamond and graphite. Question number 16, which one of the following is called as the power plant of the cell? पावर प्लांट किसे कहा जाता है? ए माइटोकॉन्ड्रियन, बी गोल्गी बॉडी, सी राइबोसोम और डी लाइसोसोम. करेक्ट आंसर ए माइटोकॉन्ड्रियन. They are called as the power plants of the cell as they transform the energy taken up through nourishment into the form the cell can use for a multitude of necessary metabolic reactions. Question number 17. In which of the following processes is energy released? Okay. हमारे options हैं A. Photosynthesis, B. Respiration, C. Ingestion और D. Absorption. कौन सा ऐसा process है जिसमें energy release की जाती है? The correct answer is B. Respiration. As we all know, during respiration, the glucose is broken down into presence of oxygen to carbon dioxide and water, and the energy is released during the reaction captured by the energy carrying molecule, which is called as ATP. Coming to question number 18, heat transfer horizontally within the atmosphere is called. Horizontal heat transfer जब होता है एटमॉस्फेयर में उसे क्या कहा जाता है? हमारे ऑप्शंस है ए एब्सॉर्प्शन, बी कंडक्शन, सी एडवेक्शन और डी कन्वेक्शन. देखते हैं क्या है करेक्ट आंसर. इट इज सी एडवेक्शन. कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, नॉइज इज मेजर्ड इन. नॉइज को कैसे मेजर किया जाता है? ए REM, बी सेंटीग्रेड, सी वॉट और डी डेसिबल. करेक्ट आंसर इज D. Decibel. Noise level is measured in decibels. जितना ज़्यादा decibel रहेगा उतना ज़्यादा noise रहेगा. Louder the noise, the higher the decibel. Coming to question number 20, which is the last question. The art and science of map making is called. Let's have a look at the options. A. Cartography. B. Mapping. C. Remote sensing. Or D. Navigating. देखते हैं क्या है correct answer. It is A. Cartography. It is termed as the art and science of map making and is a process of making maps on flat surfaces to display specific geographical area. Here we come to an end. Thank you for watching our video, and as usual, if you like the video, please don't forget to press the like button and do subscribe our channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you so much.